Hello?
Hello, this is Jig. That's not important. What is important is you're playing a game right now.
Okay, why are you phoning me?
Your game is to get upstairs before time runs out. You put something in the microwave, right?
Yeah, I got something in the microwave.
Well, I poisoned it, and you got 1 minute before it's game over.
What?
So, random stranger that I just called because I'm bored. Good luck. Oh, and buddy, there will be blood. Or at least some bruises and stuff. But anyways, you got a game to play. And yeah, good luck. See ya.
Holy fucking balls! Who the fuck took my supper? You!
Ha! Ha! I ate it all. Great. Thank you, that's good. Ah. Fuck.